Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty with expert insights and honest opinions. Today, we're diving into a styling duo designed to elevate your hair game: the CHI Volumizer 4-in-1 Blowout Brush and the CHI Pro G2 Digital Titanium Ceramic Straightening Iron. These two tools claim to deliver smooth, frizz-free hair with minimal heat damage. But do they live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's break down what makes these tools special. The CHI Volumizer Blowout Brush features a compact design and 4 interchangeable attachments, which is a great perk for versatility. The brush uses ceramic and ionic technology to lock in natural moisture while reducing heat damage. On top of that, it emits a high amount of negative ions for sleek, shiny, and frizz-free hair. The CHI Pro G2 Straightening Iron, on the other hand, is made with titanium-infused ceramic plates and boasts a fast 40-second heat-up time. It reaches temperatures up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, catering to all hair types, from fine to coarse. Now, I've had the chance to test both of these products in my routine, and I'll walk you through how they performed. Starting with the Blowout Brush, I was impressed with how lightweight and easy it was to maneuver, especially with the 7-foot swivel cord. It made styling more comfortable even when working through my thick hair. The brush attachments allowed for a variety of styles, from voluminous curls to smooth, straight looks. I found that it provided excellent volume without the stiffness you might get from traditional styling tools. The high amount of negative ions really did live up to the claims, leaving my hair soft and shiny without the usual frizz. However, if you have particularly thick or coarse hair like mine, you might need to go over sections a few times for that salon-quality finish. Moving on to the straightening iron, I was really impressed by how quickly it heated up. Within 40 seconds, it was ready to go, which is fantastic if you're in a rush. The titanium-infused ceramic plates glided smoothly over my hair, and I didn't notice any tugging or pulling. The adjustable temperature feature was great because I could tailor the heat to suit my hair's needs. At 425 degrees Fahrenheit, it worked well on my thick, unruly hair, leaving it sleek and straight without that crispy, flat look some irons give. I'd say the design of the straightener is also worth mentioning: sleek, modern, and easy to grip. When it comes to pros and cons, I'd say the CHI Volumizer 4-in-1 Blowout Brush definitely excels in versatility, ease of use, and how well it controls frizz. However, it may not provide as much hold for those with super coarse or unmanageable hair. The CHI Pro G2 Straightening Iron, meanwhile, does an excellent job at straightening quickly and efficiently, but it's a bit on the heavier side. That could be a consideration if you plan to use it for longer styling sessions. Let's talk value. At its price point, I think these tools deliver solid performance. The ceramic and ionic technology are key features that contribute to hair health, and if you style your hair frequently, these tools could definitely help minimize heat damage in the long run. However, if you're just looking for a basic tool to get the job done, there are definitely more budget-friendly options out there. For the price, though, the CHI tools offer great quality and longevity. In terms of build quality, these tools are durable. The straightening iron feels solid and well-constructed, while the blowout brush's lightweight design still feels sturdy enough to withstand daily use. Both tools have been holding up well, with no signs of wear and tear so far. As for customer support, I've heard great things about CHI's responsive and helpful team. If you run into any issues, you're likely to get a prompt resolution. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other blowout brushes and straighteners in the market that offer similar features at a lower price point. Brands like Revlon and Conair have been known for making similar tools, but the CHI's performance and design might justify the higher price if you're someone who styles your hair regularly. To wrap things up, these tools really do what they claim. The CHI Volumizer Blowout Brush adds volume and smoothness, while the CHI Pro G2 Straightening Iron delivers sleek, straight hair in record time. They're perfect for anyone looking to cut down on styling time without compromising on quality. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.